Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Emily.
And I'm Paul. We are happy you are here today.
Today's lesson is very special. It's about the new year.
Yes, a new year means new goals, new plans, and new English practice.
Exactly. In this video, you will learn easy English for New Year conversations.
We will speak slowly. We will use simple words.
And you can practice speaking with us, so please relax.
If you like learning English with us, please like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's start. Paul, the new year is coming soon.
Yes, it is. I feel excited.
Me too. The new year feels fresh and happy.
Emily, can I ask you a question?
Of course.
What do people usually say on New Year's Day?
Good question. People often say, Happy New Year.
That's easy. Let's practice together.
Please repeat after us, learners. Happy New Year.
Great job. Say it one more time. Happy New Year.
Excellent. Very clear. Paul, what do you do on New Year's Day?
I relax at home. I eat good food.
That sounds nice. Many people also ask about plans.
Yes. They ask, what are your plans for the new year?
That sentence is very useful.
Let's say it together, learners. What are your plans for the new year?
Well done. Your English sounds great.
Emily, how do you answer this question?
You can answer simply. For example, I want to learn English.
That's a perfect answer for this channel.
Yes, we love that answer.
Emily, what is a New Year's resolution?
Good question. A resolution is a promise to yourself.
It means you want to do something better.
Exactly. For example, I want to exercise more.
Or, I want to save money.
Simple and useful sentences.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I want to learn English.
Nice. That was very clear.
Emily, what is your New Year's resolution?
My resolution is simple. I want to help more students learn English.
That's very kind.
Thank you. What about you, Paul?
I want to speak more slowly for our beginner students.
That's a great idea.
Emily, people also use I will a lot.
Yes, I will talks about the future.
For example, I will practice English every day.
That sentence is perfect for beginners.
Please repeat. I will practice English every day.
Excellent. You're doing very well.
Emily, let's give another example.
Sure. I will eat healthy food.
Short and easy. Remember, simple English is good English. Emily, how do you feel about the new year?
I feel hopeful.
Hopeful is a nice word.
Yes, it means you feel positive about the future.
I feel excited.
Great word. Excited means very happy and ready.
Let's practice feelings. Say, I feel excited. Nice pronunciation.
Or you can say, I feel happy. Or, I feel calm.
All of these are good.
Now it's practice time, learners. We will ask questions. Please answer out loud. Don't be shy.
You can pause the video to give answers.
Question 1. What do you say on New Year's Day?
Good. Happy New Year.
Question 2. What are your plans for the new year?
Nice answers.
Question 3. Finish this sentence. I will.
Great job. Any answer is okay.
You are practicing. That's the most important thing.
Emily, let's show a short example conversation.
Great idea. Let's do this.
Hi, Emily. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Paul.
What are your plans for the new year?
I will study English every day.
That's a great plan.
Thank you. What about you?
I will exercise more.
Nice. Good luck.
Thank you.
Great work today, everyone.
You learned how to talk about the new year.
You learned Happy New Year
You learned how to talk about plans.
and how to use I want and I will.
These sentences are very useful in real life.
Please practice in the comments.
Write your New Year plan in English.
We love to read your comments.
And we are proud of you.
Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more easy English.
Thank you for learning with us.
Happy New Year!
See you in the next lesson.